Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for clicking in on this video. So today we are tackling this dishes here. It's just a quick video of me washing my dishes and my sink. Also, we'll be trying out this Scrub Mummy that I bought at Game. I like the fact that they say you can sanitize it in your dishwasher, which means it lasts for longer than the normal sponge. It's actually more durable than your normal sponge. That's why it's on the pricey side. I think I bought it with 79 rand. Yeah, so it is on the pricey side, but the reason for that it's obviously that it lasts longer than the normal sponge, and it's got two sides. There's a rough side and the other side is a sponge. So yeah, you can wash your pots with it, but not this pots that I'm using right now, that I'm washing right now. But your non-stick pots, you can wash with that sponge. It's perfect for a lot of other places in your house, like your bedrooms, your walls, your stove, like a lot of other places that you can use with that sponge. So I'm liking it. I like the fact that it creates more foam than the other sponge that I will usually use. Yeah, so you were thinking of buying it and maybe thinking what's the hype about it, then yeah, I hope this video will help you in deciding if you want to buy it. So for washing my pots, I really trust the Sunlight soap, the original Sunlight soap that we grew up bathing with it. You can wash with it, you can bath with it, you can do a lot of things with the Sunlight bar soap. Although I don't like bathing with it anymore because I feel like it has changed throughout the years. It's not as good for bathing, like for your skin. I don't know whether it was ever good, but it was okay for our skin growing up. But now it's just too it just makes my skin dry, so I don't bath with it anymore. I use it for laundry, and I also use it to wash my pots. So guys, I really do not compromise when it comes to dishwashing liquid. But on this day, I had the fake one that I bought from my neighbor since on the 1st of January. So I wanted to wash the dishes and I noticed we don't have. And I sometimes support her to, she sells like no name cleaning things. Some of the things are good. I'm washing my dishes, I really want to see the foam. I don't know about you guys. I just want to, I just want to see the foam. I don't know. That for me, that like says okay, the soap works better. I don't know. It just maybe in my mind. So yeah, but yeah. So that's why you see me. I'm also putting too much because if you buy cheap, I've noticed that if you buy a cheaper a dishwashing liquid, if you want to see that foam, you need to put more, which at the end of the day is a waste of money anyway, because you're gonna go back quickly to the shop to buy another soap. I'm loving the MAC at the moment. That what I've been using. It's just that I don't buy it always, because sometimes my husband goes and buy and he knows that we use the Sunlight. I haven't shared that. You know what? I'm loving MAC at the moment. Yeah, guys. So here I was just quickly just wiping my stove. I'm not really sharing everything what I was doing. I had cooked Chinese rice on this day, just something quick. It was already, I think, 12:30. Yeah, so I was really late with my cooking. So guys, on this day, I didn't have bicarbonate of soda. I didn't have Vim. Like majority of my cleaning products were finished. I do tended to buy cleaning products and I try them once and somehow I'm not happy and I still keep them, and whenever I've run out of my favorite cleaning product, then I go back to them. For example, this chemical here, this it's a like pink paste. I don't know whether it's the same as the ones that Americans use that I've seen people on YouTube using. I'm not sure because they call it pink stuff. This is also pink. So on this day I said, okay, I don't have the usual that I usually use to clean my sink, and I took this chemical and together with the Sunlight bar soap, I must say it's winning. It's winning more than Vim, more than bicarbonate of soda. I was really happy with how my sink was looking. So they do say that it's an effective extreme paste cleaner suitable for kitchens, glass, stoves, working surfaces, pots and pans, bathrooms, bath basins, like everything in a bathroom, like a lot of things they say you can clean with it. Oh, now I just remembered why I actually bought this chemical. I actually wanted to try to clean those shiny pots, not the pots that I use Sunlight bar soap to clean, but you know those shiny pots like your AMC pots, because I've noticed that sometimes they are left with stains. Yeah. Okay guys, I think I'm talking too much and my video is about to end. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.